Hello everyone, welcome to Quantum Guruji. So today in this video I am going to discuss how only few calculations that I have already taught here in my channel is useful for finishing up a project, right? So I have already taught you the geometry optimization, frequency calculation, electrostatic potential calculation, and the analysis, right? So all these three four things I have used here in this paper, and this was a unique paper, and here we try to unravel the structure for coal, Indian coal, for the first time for hydrogen production. Okay, so you can go through this paper and have a look, in the theoretical section or experimental section, whatever you are interested on. So the theoretical section will be down below. Okay, so this was the based on the IR spectra and all other experimental data. We try to design a plausible structure for that, for that data, and then we have calculated, using theoretical DFT calculations. We have done the optimization, frequency calculation. This is the Mulliken charges, electrostatic potential surface, which talk about the electron rich and the deficient centers, and also the frontier orbitals, HOMO-LUMO of this call. And also we have talked about the this NMR calculation, FCIR calculation, and so all the calculation that I have already taught you in this tutorial, like earlier. So I have used all those calculations, and I have put it here, and that was useful to solve the issue for this project. So you can have a look how like these calculations helping to sort out the problem, and how we can write the manuscript, all those things you can get some help from here. Okay, so it will be helpful in that sense. Like, if you think like why I am putting all those calculations, what is the benefit of that, and how you can put all those calculations and fit into a paper. So this is an example, like where I have done a few calculations and explained that, and it was able to solve some problem, right? So this is the beauty of theoretical calculations. If you have any doubt pertaining to this video, you can put in the comment section. Thank you for watching.